Okay, 3 minutes, one slide, and then you have to explain everything in just 3 minutes. Come up with the big impact. I'm so proud of MMU students that actually work it. So hopefully all the best to them to the national level, and hopefully they can go for the Asia Pacific level. All the best!